Welcome to Aram Tutorials. In this video, we will show you how to install Google Drive on your Mac machine. First, open your Chrome browser and go to drive.google.com. Click the download button at the bottom left of the page, or click the gear icon at the top right and click Download Drive for desktop. Once on the Chrome website, click the blue Download Drive for desktop button. Once the DMG file finishes downloading, open it. Next, double-click the Google Drive PKG file within the DMG window. The installer window will open. Follow the instructions in the installer and click Continue after each step. Once the installation is complete, the Google Drive app will open automatically. Return to the installer window, click Close, and then click Move to Trash. In the Google Drive app, click Get Started. Sign in to your preferred Google account. After signing in, close the tab and return to the Google Drive app window. The Google Drive app will close and reopen. You will see a notice saying Google Drive would like to start syncing. Click Allow. If you want to sync your computer files with Google Drive, toggle on the folders you wish to sync or add desired folders. If you do not want to sync files, deselect all folders and click Skip. Next, if you want to back up photos and videos to Google Photos, select the desired folders. If not, click Skip. Then click Next. Finally, click Open Drive. Now let's show you how to access your Google Drive files. On your top menu bar, locate the Google Drive icon and click it. Next, click your account email, then click the folder icon next to your email. Double-click My Drive to access your Google Drive. Your Google Drive is now set up. To demonstrate how Google Drive works, I will create a folder. Then I will check in my Google Drive to verify that the new folder appears.